Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto content, and today we're going to be talking about Ripple XRP as always. So with that being said, let's just jump into this juicy content. So first and foremost, I do want to just address this a little bit of a meme here. Now obviously, hey, this isn't really anything in regards to XRP, but I thought it was funny because for so long, we've been told we are in a bear market, we're in a bear market, we're in a bear market, right? I even addressed this in my last video, but realistically speaking, when people are telling you guys to be fearful of the market, or, they're pretty much selling you a FUD, most of the time, that's the best time to buy. But I thought this was funny because, the bears really are not looking good right now, especially in regards to the recent price action in the market. And I just thought this was funny to really address in this video. But talking about whales, bears, and all that sort of things, we do see here Bitcoin whales suddenly move $1.7 billion in Bitcoin. That's insane. Look at this, guys. So this happened yesterday. It's 3:31 a.m., so technically it is the next day. But hey, we do see that sentiment says holdings of crypto millionaires near all-time highs. And guess why? I can tell you exactly why, right? We just hear 10.4k Bitcoin worth 446 million was sent from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. Again, 10.4k, 10.4k, 10.4k. Now, a lot of whales have been pretty much accumulating this dip on Bitcoin for quite some time. Now, even here, Bitcoin's millionaire tier addresses are staying near the all-time high of Bitcoin's total percentage supply held, which is interesting to see. We do see here Bitcoin addresses that hold 100 to 10,000 Bitcoin currently own 49.11% of the total Bitcoin supply, and they're still very near the all-time high of 49.18% made just last week. The key group of whales is one of the most solid indicators to watch. Now, this is very interesting because they are still holding for a reason. I can tell you exactly why they're holding for that reason. It's because the all-time high is not yet done. We haven't even scratched the surface of this bull run yet. We do see here Bitcoin jumps above 43k for the first time since mid-May, just as crowds stopped being bullish. I'm telling you guys, I've been bullish this entire time. Watch out for those, people who will tell you, oh yeah, we're going here, and then all of a sudden they flip, right? Once they see some negative price action in the market, they flip their scene and they're saying, oh, we're in a bear market, guys. It's another 3 years. Guys, I haven't even said once that we're in a bear market. You want to know why? Because there was no indicators that told us that we were in a bear market. 41.6k Bitcoin worth $1.78 billion, was moved. All right, and they're moving it to unknown wallets to HODL. They're hodling for what's to come. I know exactly what's to come. First off, Bitcoin is going to new all-time highs, which guess what? That means XRP is also going to all-time highs. XRP is just beginning its journey to $4 plus, and I do think that we will see $10 plus. And if you guys don't think that we will see $10 plus, then I don't even know why you're holding XRP. Also, we see here, to flip Ethereum, we would need $7 XRP at the moment. And Ethereum has by no means a similar catalyst like our Hate It lawsuit, which will turn out to be a huge blessing in the end. And I completely agree with this. XRP will flip Ethereum this bull run. And yes, I do think that it also has the power to flip Bitcoin as well. And I know a lot of people will most likely hate me in the comments for saying that, and, oh, you're spewing nonsense and hopium, whatever. I'm just telling you guys right now, XRP hit nearly $4 with no catalyst behind it. We weren't even listed on Coinbase at the time when we did hit $4 nearly, right? So just imagine what's going to happen when the FOMO begins on XRP, when first off, it's now tradable everywhere in the US, because there's still a lot of people who can't even buy it yet. It's on major exchanges. It gets relisted fully. We get regulatory clarity, the first crypto of its kind. And also, ODL services are ramping up. We see US companies joining back on the partnership list. Guys, it's only a matter of time, and I do think that it will flip for the #1 spot. I don't know if it's going to happen just yet. It's not a guarantee for the #1 spot to be flipped just yet this year, but hey, if I had to give a good guess on which asset would most likely flip it right now, it would be XRP. We also see this, David Schwartz, sire, the peasants are revolting. Yes, I know. That's why I don't let them in the castle. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, this is all going back to that whole bill that they're trying to pass today. Now it got pushed back to tomorrow, which I thought was funny. But they are listening to us from what I've seen. A lot of people were calling in and telling them, we don't support this, don't kill crypto. Crypto is the future, which I completely agree with. But I love the fact that David Schwartz is getting in on this as well and kind of talking about it. But it is the idea that they want to protect the castle, if you will. The castle is their beloved fiat cash. They don't want to give up the power. It's all a power play. It's all about greed, how much control they have over the monetary system. And guess what? At some point in time, if they don't even incorporate crypto, that's totally fine. The US will fall behind. The US will lose all monetary power anyways, and the US dollar will soon be worth absolutely nothing. And I do completely agree with that, because the reason why is because we see a lot more countries, especially Russia, China, a lot of these other areas around the world that, pretty much were powered by our dollar, kind of moving away from it, saying, hey, we don't need the US dollar. And who would want to be backed by the US dollar anyways, when we're printing trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars a day for absolutely no reason? So I completely agree with the idea that I do think that we need crypto 100%. But we also see this, we do see here, XRP 26% gain since 7/27, which was 1 day prior to the Japan Philippines HODL opening news. 64 cents to 80 cents this morning. Staying on the trajectory without other news developments, $10.17 by end of year. Not TA, just simple growth from utility. Other note is that this slow and steady appreciation over the last 10 days feels ever so slightly different than other periods. It's holding its value differently. Just an observation, probably gets dispelled through other price action movement. Let's see. And I do completely agree with this. I do think that XRP has been building a nice solid foundational support, and I do think that that's going to basically support the next major run up on XRP as well. So I definitely completely agree with this. I do think that XRP is really building for that $10 plus price target this bull run, and I do think that it's only a matter of time before we truly see the value behind XRP unlocked. We also see this, right? We just see XRP price gears up for bigger gains as Ripple CEO tries to emerge victorious. And this is great to see. Now, obviously, I didn't open this, but we do see here the crypto market has reawakened thanks to the bullish jump of Bitcoin. The price of XRP is benefiting from this, accumulating quite relevant gains, which may be announcing a positive near future. And if we actually come over here and read this, we do see at the time of writing, Ripple is trading at 80 cents, up 9.47% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $37.49 billion. It is ranked 6th, of course, obviously, but they were talking about this lawsuit. I mean, who knows? I don't think that a settlement is near, to be completely honest with you. And I don't even think that we need a settlement, to be completely real. I just think that we need a settlement to get to those major gains where we do see like $30 plus. But hey, it is what it is. Who knows the end game? Who knows when a settlement will actually happen? Hopefully sooner than later. But I do think that this is great to see as well. But we also see this. Now, I do want to address this just a little bit. We do see if you don't have a lot of money, do not invest in Bitcoin. You will never make a lot of money off of it. Like I said, even going back to this, whales hold the most Bitcoin. They hold it because it is expensive. They could acquire a lot of it with their cash. Guys, to 2x your gains on Bitcoin, it would have to go to about $90,000. To 2x your gains on XRP, it would only have to go to about $1.60. Do your research. Do not invest in Bitcoin just because someone like Michael Saylor says to, or some billionaire out there shilling it to you. I'm telling you guys, there's better gains to be made on altcoins, especially like XRP and stuff like that. Do your research. Do not just jump into Bitcoin just because it's there. I know a lot of normie investors and noobs out there pretty much jump in on Bitcoin just because it is the #1 asset right now in the space. Trust me, You do not want to jump in it. It is old technology. It is already far too high in price to make really good profits on it. XRP is such a better choice in my opinion, and there's a lot of other choices that haven't even jumped yet in price. And if you guys do want to learn more about those, you can watch my earlier videos. Now, last but not least, I do just want to address this as well to all those XRP holders who have held for a little and feel like it's not going anywhere or going to happen. I've had it since 2013 and the end game is 2030. Know what you hold. 17-year HODL plan for generational wealth. The XRP price on the 4th August 2013 was a penny, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna say, like, you know, if you HODL these assets for so long, generational wealth is right around the corner. Now, obviously, I don't think that we will have to hold for 17 years. I do think that in 5 years alone, the price appreciation on XRP is going to be absolutely incredible. I do think that we could see highs of, you know, $500 to $1,000 at some point in time. Who knows? Once ODL is really in place and solving that major problem with liquidity, I do think that that's pretty much the end game where the true value of XRP will truly shine. But with that being said, if you guys do want to get a poster that is themed around your favorite crypto, XRP, HBAR, QNT, XLM, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, DAG, Stack, whatever the case may be, you guys could get on here and purchase your very own poster. Links will be down in the description below as well as in the comments below. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys do want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know why I said it like that, but anyways, peace out, guys.